Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be talking about why I believe Algorand is going to explode. So today I'm going to be talking about the fundamentals, and then we're going to go over some statistics, and then we're even going to be going over a price prediction towards the end. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And also do me a favor, if you like this video and you like this type of content, do me a favor by minting me a subscription down below. So anyways, guys, let's just get into this. Why Algo will explode. What is Algo? Algorand is an open source decentralized blockchain network that leverages a two-tiered structure and a unique variation of the proof of stake consensus mechanism to increase transaction speeds and achieve finality. Algorand's block rewards are distributed to all Algo coin holders, offering all Algo holders an opportunity to earn rewards instead of just block producers. Algorand is a decentralized network built to solve the blockchain trilemma of achieving speed, security, and decentralization simultaneously. It is a permissionless and open source blockchain network upon which anyone can build. Algorand is designed to be a payments-focused network with rapid transactions and a strong focus on achieving near-instant finality. That means processing over 1,000 transactions per second and achieving transaction finality in less than 5 seconds. As a public smart contract blockchain that relies on staking, Algorand is currently capable of hosting dApp development and providing scalability. Rising gas fees on Ethereum have led many dApp developers and decentralized finance traders to look for alternative blockchain solutions, with some turning to Algorand as an Ethereum alternative for dApp development and DeFi applications. And I just want to make this clear is that I'm also extremely bullish on Ethereum, so don't just think that I'm all for Algorand and not for Ethereum. I'm actually definitely for both, and I actually think that both of them will have a place in the ecosystem. Launched in June 2019 by computer scientist and MIT professor Silvio Micali, Algorand is a permissionless and open source blockchain network upon which anyone can build. So let's go over the tech. Algorand uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and distributes validators' rewards to all holders of native Algo cryptocurrency. Through strong throughput capacity and equitable community incentivization, Algorand is capable of managing the high throughput requirements of widespread global usage in a variety of use cases. Algorand has a unique two-tiered blockchain structure. The base layer supports smart contracts, assets creation, and atomic swaps between assets. All of these processes take place on layer 1 of the Algorand blockchain, which helps ensure security and compatibility. The second layer of Algorand is reserved for far more complex smart contracts and dApp development. It's this bifurcation of the network between layer 1 and layer 2 that allows Algorand to process transactions so efficiently. With more complex smart contracts taking place off-chain, simple transactions can be processed more quickly on layer 1 without being bogged down by larger, more complex smart contracts. So what makes Algo different than ETH? Algorand has a unique two-tier blockchain structure. The base layer supports smart contracts, asset creation, and atomic swaps between assets. The second layer of Algorand is reserved for far more complex smart contracts and dApp development. Algorand uses a unique verification of proof of stake called pure proof of stake. So pure proof of stake is a highly democratized proof of stake consensus mechanism with a low minimum staking requirement for participating in and securing the network. Only one Algo coin is required to participate, compared to, for example, 32 ETH, right? So next up, I wanted to go over some stats with the subreddits because, like I've said in previous videos, if a coin has some of the best fundamentals, but no marketing and no backup in terms of, a crowd that, has a following of that coin, then it's not going anywhere, sadly. So that's why, for example, there's some coins that have such a strong following, like, for example, ADA or Cardano. It has such a strong following, and because of that, you can see it reflected into the price. So this is pretty important when you're evaluating a coin. So let's go over Algorand and the stats on their subreddit. So here is the r/Algorand stats, not to be confused with r/Algorand official stats, which we're going to go over as well. So I'm not really sure why there is a r/Algorand official, and then there's also just Algorand. So here you can see the subscriber ranking on the r/Algorand subreddit. Now you can see here that starting in January, there was only 1,800 members on the subreddit here. And then what you can see here is ever since there was just this massive growth that was following that kind of that bull run that we had up until that after April crash. You can see here that there was a bit of slowed growth, but actually ever since then, it's actually continued to grow up exponentially. And I mean, this is quite impressive, coming up just slowly to barely even 800 members to what it is today at over 40,000 members. Now, we can also look here, the subscriber rank, lower is better. You can see it's been getting lower, so it's better. Here you can see the comments per day has been increasing, and the comments day rank, lower is better. has been getting better. Posts per day has been increasing. Now let's go over to r/Algorand official, which has 47,000 members. Here you can see the growth of the subscribers on the subreddit, and just like the previous one, you can see here that back in mid-January it had the minimum of 5,000 members, and then coming up here all the way up to where it is today quite exponentially to over 40,000 members and growing strong. Now also the subscriber rank, of course, getting lower, just like the previous one. The stats are looking quite promising for Algorand. So you can see January 1st, 2021, it was 39 cents to what it is today, working at $1.90. So you can see that there has been quite a bit of growth. And I think that's also quite just due to the sentiment. So right now I wanted to look at the price and market cap. Right now it is $1.90. And in the past 24 hours, it looks like it's gone up 3.2%, and also the market cap is $11 billion right now. That is quite insane. Then that means that it is rank number 17 when we're looking and ranking coins by their market cap. Now let's go over the price. In the past year, it's grown from a mere around 38 cents here back in the first, looks like, yeah, the 1st of January, looks like it was 39 cents here. And that is quite impressive of a growth all the way up to where it is today. And you can see here that, the April, bull run that was going on here, we can just see the massive run up, and then there was a bit of a crash, just like most coins. And then you can see the summer months, there wasn't really a whole lot happening, but then recently it's been growing, and it's also been growing along with the subreddits and social media. So let's also go over and compare it to other coins. If Algorand had the same market cap as of Bitcoin, which would be 1 trillion, one algo would make it $168, an upside of 87x. So right now my price prediction is putting it right above Terra Luna's market cap, 18.1 billion, which would put it over a price at around $3. My price range for Algo is in the $3 to $5 range, and that would also put it in between the mix of 18 billion market cap to around 30 billion as of market cap. That right now, that is my goal for Algorand, and I believe that during a bull run, we could easily see that price action happen. And given the current fundamentals of the coin, I don't see why this wouldn't happen, especially with the ongoing growth that we're seeing on social media platforms, for example, like Reddit. Now, also, I'm actually going to be doing a Terra Luna video on why I believe Terra Luna will explode. So stay tuned for that. I know I'm already a bit late to it because it's already had kind of this massive run up recently. But anyways, I'm definitely bullish on that one as well. So anyways, guys, what did you guys think of this video? What is your price prediction? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm quite bullish on Algo. I really like it. I think it definitely has its place alongside others like ETH. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next one.